how to make your Xfinity Internet faster. If your Xfinity Internet feels slower than expected, there are a few settings, checks and optimization that can instantly improve your speed and stability. In this video I'll walk you through simple steps that anyone can do at home. Let's begin. Alright, so first up, just go ahead and type in speed test on your browser. There you go. Go into this website and it will measure your speeds, both download and upload, also packet loss, latency and all that good stuff. So just make sure to run it. If it shows speeds that are not optimal or not something that your tariff, your plan should provide, so that's something that is bad on the provider's side and not yours, but it can be your fault as well. So for example, as you can see, Xfinity even provides a small tutorial on how to improve the speeds of your internet, so let's move through it. So as you can see, the first step, we have move closer to your gateway. So what does this mean? So you just need to position your router that actually will give you the speed, right, that you're using. So you will have to move pretty much closer with your phone to your router, because if you have some kind of big house, for example, maybe multiple floors, and say your router is on the first floor and you yourself with your phone or a tablet or a PC is, you know, on somewhere else, you have the walls blocking the connection, and of course you'll have the speeds that will be hindered, that will be lower. So just make sure to move closer to it, or just reposition your router itself. Also guys, this is actually almost the same step but a bit different. So if, for example, you have your router standing beside some kind of obstruction, right, some kind of maybe a wardrobe or some kind of box or something else, yeah, it can actually block the connection, especially if you have a 5 gigahertz mode enabled, because even though it's faster and has lower latency, it is still more prone to these kind of blockages, you know, and your speed is pretty easily to be lower. So just make sure that nothing is obstructing your router when you're using it. Then the next step, as you can see, other devices in your home, such as your TV or your microwave or whatever this is, they sometimes can interfere with the signal of your Wi-Fi. So for example, say if you have, I've had this issue myself. I bought a wireless mouse that actually runs on 2.4 gigahertz band, and I actually had my router running on the 2.4 gigahertz as well, and I've had interference, and when I was using my mouse it was actually lagging and stuttering, so that was the interference of the signal. So just make sure that either you change the pretty much the from 4 to 5 gigahertz, and so that the bands are different, you get the idea, and that you have no interference. This is the next step. Then you can also restart your gateway, restart your router. Sometimes settings are getting bugged out, and a simple restart can fix many issues. And also you can relocate your gateway. You can just place it in the open, away from the walls, just like I said in the beginning, and not behind TVs or inside cabinets. And these changes should noticeably improve your Xfinity Internet performance. If you want more tutorials on the home internet, Wi-Fi optimization and carrier tips, make sure to follow us guys. And if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.